All right, this is one of the elevators here at Brookfield Center. Got an Otis here. Let's wait for these slow pokes to get in.
Oh, they replaced the light.
Follows nicely. I'm guessing this thing is holeless because
Yeah, it's holeless.
jacks are definitely a bit out of sync on this. Nondescript cab, a descript Dan, the script Jacob.
I mean, for the use it gets, it's and for the use it gets, it's really not a bad elevator.
Yeah.
It's better than the newer elevators right over here. This thing's about 20 years old.
Yeah, around that. All right, that's it.